Hello, my name is Belinda Rackman, and the name of my business is Fair Divorce in a Day Mediation. I've been a family law attorney since 1996, but before that I was a special education teacher working with severely emotionally disturbed kids. In fact, I worked in mental institutions and I had students who had killed their parents. So that definitely gave me an edge when I became a divorce attorney. Justice and fairness are just ideas. They're not related to what actually happens in court. I was really shocked that way too many divorce lawyers manipulate their emotionally vulnerable clients into fighting, not because the fighting's necessary, but because that's how lawyers get paid the most. There are not any legal mysteries that need solving. Everything's been decided already. It's called case law. Millions of Californians have divorced over the years, and we have settled law on everything. An experienced attorney pretty much has a good idea what the court's going to do in common situations. It doesn't take a $50,000 trial to divide property. Californians need to be very careful because the lobby for divorce lawyers has had the state legislature pass a bill that makes our fees protected by law. No other kind of lawyer in California has the automatic right to be paid from their client's home equity. What that means is an attorney can slap a lien on their client's house and force a sale at the end of the case, often getting more money than the client does. The average divorce costs $20,000 each, and that's just a mid-range average. It goes way up depending on how much equity you have in your home. The sad thing, and my mediation practice proves it, it doesn't have to be this way. Imagine what the average couple could do with $40,000. That could be a huge contribution to your child's college fund, not your lawyer's kid's college fund. So I got sick of seeing families destroyed in court, and after 8 years, I walked away. I could no longer participate in a process that chews people up and leaves them broke and angry and unable to co-parent their children. See, I was one of those kids. I'm a child advocate, and my bias is in protecting the children, and that's not the focus of most divorce attorneys. I've helped over 250 couples, and every single one of them has come to an agreement. Mediation is for smart people who realize they will get more if they cut the lawyers out of the deal and split the pie in half instead of in fourths. Don't you think that the average person contemplating divorce would want to do it as inexpensively and stress-free as possible? Don't you think that most people just want a fair solution that protects the kids from being caught in the middle of an expensive custody fight? If you think that this sounds like a reasonable option, can you share my website with your friends? I'm always looking for partners for the peaceful divorce movement. I charge a flat fee of $2,500. I protect the children from being caught in the middle of a nasty fight, and I really protect people's co-parenting relationships. That's a wonderful thing, and I hope you agree that that's the way most people should divorce. Thanks.